Veteran TV, Portmore to the world. And as the sun rises this morning, it's Saturday, yeah? Veteran TV will catch the sunrise way over in a Portmore at a place called Bay Villa. Wow, amazing. From Portmore side and not Portland side this year, yeah? I have some stuff, you know, over the side there. See my pool there, yeah? Yeah. Remember that. Veteran TV. My daughter them have me lock. You hear that? Portmore to the world. Veteran TV. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Village Reporter, you hear? All Jamaican abroad. Portmore, for sure. My God. Veteran TV. English. Patois. German. Egyptian. African. Yo, Elvis, big up yourself, Panawane, as the sun rises, my grand. Big up. Veteran TV. There's a possibility. Martin Porty. Big up all Portland people, Panawane. This is not Portland. This is Portmore, for sure. I'm gonna big up Chin. You hear that? Yeah, the in thing. Glang, 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 slang. Bang!